Hello, good morning to everybody. Shall we continue the problems? Yes, today we are in class number, I think, class 6. Is it? Yes, class 6. Problems continuation. There is a problem here on the multiplication of two matrices. They will provide three matrices A, B, C. Then what they are asking, show that A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC. Do you know the name of property? What is the property name? Does it associative? No. Then what? It is a distributive. Distribute A with C and B with C with respect to addition. So matrix multiplication is distributive with respect to addition. Yes. Show that. What is LHS? A plus B of C. Then what to do first? A plus B. Yes. A plus B. Please, if you don't mind, take A plus B here itself and adding the corresponding elements of A and B, write it answer here. You don't do like this in examination. What to do in examination? Please write the matrix A here, plus, write the matrix B here, then you add in second step. That is the correct process. Now here there is a space problem, there is a board problem. Hence, add A plus B from the data in question itself. Yes. Do you know how to addition of two matrices? Corresponding elements of two matrices of same order. That is the important, same order. Corresponding elements of A and B are added. Okay, this is 0, 0 plus 0. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 2, 10. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಉಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ದಿರ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜಾಗ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ 7 plus 1, 8, minus 8 plus 2, minus 6, 0 plus 0. Please, once again, you should cross check with simplification. Okay. Does LHS is over? No. We have to multiply to A plus B with C. That is A plus B 0, 7, 8. Minus 5, 0, 10. 8 minus 6, 0. Into C. 2 minus 2, 3. What is the symbol? Into. So product of two matrices. So what to do in first step? We have to confirm whether these two matrices multiplication exist or not. How to confirm? Number of columns. First write the order of a matrix. 3 rows, 3 columns. Then what is the order of this matrix? 3 rows. 3 rows. Only single column. Here number of columns 3. Here number of rows 3. Those two are equal. We can multiply these two matrices. Then we have left with two numbers 3 and 1. Nothing but 3 cross 1. That indicates the resultant matrix after multiplication of these two matrices is of the form 3 cross 1. That is the benefit. 3 cross 1. 3 rows, 1 column. Okay. Let us start. Okay. First row, first column. Here there is only one column. Yes. 0 into 2, 0. Then what to do? Please write the common place. 7 with dash, minus 2, minus 14, minus 14 plus nothing but again minus 14, plus this is common place, 8 3s are 24. First row, first column is over. First column means having only one column. Then go to second row with respect to same column. Then where we have to answer this? What is the address of the answer? What is the row number? Second. What is the column? First column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. This is the correct address. Yes. Minus 5 into 2. Minus 10. Plus common. 0 with minus 2. Nothing but minus 2. 10 with 3. Nothing but 30. We have last row. Answer also should be in place of third row, last row. Yes, 8 2s are 16. Minus 6 into minus 2. Minus of minus plus 12. 0 with 3 0. Okay, shall we simplify? Yes. 24 minus 14. It is a 10. There are two negative terms. First, we shall add them. That is minus 12. Minus 12 plus. This is 0. Again, there is a mistake. Sorry. This is 0. 0 into minus 2, 0. Minus 10, minus 0, nothing but minus 10. Plus 30, nothing but 20. Yes, 16 plus 12, 28. Correct equation 1. LHS is over. Then come to RHS. First, we shall find AC. 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. C, that is 2, minus 2, 3. Again, we have to confirm. First, confirm the product of two matrices exists or not, then go to multiplication. This is the main thing. How to check number of columns? First, write the order of matrix. Columns, rows. Get cancelled. 3 cross. Yes. AC. 0 into this row with this column. All of you know how to multiply two matrices. 0 with this 2, 0. Plus 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 7 3 is a plus 21. Next, minus 12 plus 0 plus 24. Next, 14. Last row minus of minus plus 16 plus 0 3 is a 0. That is nothing but I think 9. Yes, 9 plus 21 minus 12, 9. I think this is 12. 24 minus 12. This is 30. Don't call it equation number 2. We have to find BC. B 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. C 2 minus 2 3. Please multiply carefully and simplify. We get 1 0 with minus 2 plus 3 1. Next 1 2 is 2 plus 0 plus 6 8. Next 2 minus 4. 1 into 2 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 0, nothing but minus 2. These two terms are RHS. We have to add them. That is AC plus BC is equals to 9, 12, 30 plus minus 2. Add them. That is equals to 10, 20, 12 plus 8. 30 minus 28. Call it equation number 2. Does the problem is over for 5 marks? No. It is a 5 marks question. Then what to do? Conclusion. Conclusion is important for 1 mark. Therefore, A plus B of C is equals to AB plus BC. Yes, another problem is there. Again, there are given 3 matrices. Half order 2 cross 2. They are asking find AC, BC, A plus B of C, also verify. Abbo, ish questions ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ sir? Please wait. Even though they are asking direct this question, direct this proof, we have to find AC, BC and LHS A plus B and C. All the steps of this proof are they are asking separately. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about it. Yes. If they are asking directly this proof, we shall start with A plus B. After that A plus B into C. After that AC. After that BC and conclusion of the problem, just like in previous problem. In this problem, initially they are asking find AC, BC, A plus B into C. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. Yes. Come to find AC. A 1, 2, 2, 1. C 1, 1, 2, 3. We are finding AC but not AB. Exam ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Yes, we know how to multiply 2 matrices. Again, first column. I will write direct answer. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 4, direct 5. It is 5. 1 plus 1, sorry. AC. Yes, correct. 5. AC. First row, second column. 1 with 1, 1, 2 with 3, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. In your workbook, please don't jump the steps just like. You should write step by step, every step. Next, second row with first column. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Similarly, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 5. This is what? AC. Sir, first ಕಂಡುಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಏನೋ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ A plus B into Cನೇ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ. ಎಸ್ ದೆನ್ BC. Similarly, B means 2, 0, 1, 3. C means 1, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 mark. BC after simplification, this is 2 to 7, 10 I think. AC is over, BC is over. Then come to A plus B. A 1, 2, 2, 1 plus B 2, 0, 1, 3. Addition of 2 matrices is dead easy. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3 to 3 4. 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 0 0, 2 plus 1 3, like that. So then C, A plus B into C. Please remember one thing. Sir, can we multiply C into A plus B? No, matrix multiplication is not commutative. We have to post multiply C with A plus B. What is meant by post? ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ A plus B ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ C ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That is post. Yes, what is A plus B? 3, 2, 3, 4. What is C? 1, 1, 2, 3. Again multiply. This is addition, this is multiplication. Yes. A plus B of C. First row with first column. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Next. First row with the second column. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. Next. 3 ones are 3. 4 twos are 8. 3 plus 8, 11. Next. This row with this column. 3 ones are 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12, I think 15. 15. Yes. This is LHS. Now to get RHS, we are getting already AC and BC. Add them. AC plus BC. AC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5, 7, 4, 5. BC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2, 2, 7, 10. Yes. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus 15. Now call it equation 2. Is it completed? No. Conclusion is there. Again we have to write this conclusion. From equation number 1 and 2. See, answers are same. This is the answer for LHS. This is the answer for RHS. So, from 1 and 2, ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದೆ. From 1 and 2, A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC. Don't write AB plus BC like that. If your conclusion is wrong, they will get only 4 marks. You will get only 4 marks. Okay? Is problem number 3. There is a matrix named it as a capital F of X. X is small. Then what they are asking, show that f of x into f of y is equals to f of x plus y. Listen carefully. It is given for 3 marks in the last year annual examination 2020 April. They are giving only f of x, but in proof there is a f of y. How to find f of y? Please, very simple. What is the letter here? X. So matrix having trigonometric functions with the variable x. If you want to y in place of x, replace every trigonometric function with an angle x by y. That is, f of y is equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. We have to define f of y. Similar manner. If we want z, replace every term by z. We don't want f of z. Don't do like that in this problem. So we are defining f of y. Then come to proof. Prove that f of x into f of y. F of x into f of y, right? Cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. What is this? F of x. Same trigonometric functions with a different angle. Sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Multiplication, matrix multiplication. First we have to confirm what is the order of matrix. 3 cross 3. What is the order of matrix? 3 cross 3. What we have to check in this first matrix? Columns. In this matrix, rows, they are same. Hence we have to confirm. What is confirmation? We can multiply these two matrices like that. Yes. Shall we start? Okay. First row with first column. Cos x, cos y. First element is over. Then there is a common plus. Minus sin x into sin y. There is a minus sign. Plus of minus becomes minus. So it becomes minus. Sin x, sin y. Does it complete first column? No. Till another element is there. Third element with this 0. Plus 0. Leave it. Then same row with second column. As leave some small space. Cos x into minus sin y. That minus I am writing prefix, pre. Unde. Plus minus sin x into cos y. Again minus sign is there. Minus sin x into cos y plus 0. First row second column is over. First row second column is over. First row third column becomes also 0. Yes, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. First row, last column. How you can write directly 0, sir? Cos with 0, sin with 0, 0 with 1. Oh, like that. Yes. Similarly, come to a second row, again first column. Yes, sin x cos y plus sin x cos y, cos x sin y plus 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, same row with second column. Yes, minus sin x, minus sin here is there, minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. This is 0. Last 0 into 0 plus yes. 0 with cos y 0, 0 with sin y 0, 1 with 0 0. Come to last row with second column. 0 with minus sin y 0, cos x with cos y, 0 with cos y 0, 1 with 0 0, 0 with 0 0, 0 with 0 0 plus 1. Be careful. Shall we simplify? Yes. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋಪ್ ಸರ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ರಜೆಗಳು ಕೊರೋನಾ ರಜೆಗಳು ಸರ್. ಕೊರೋನಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of x plus y. Opposite sign for cos. Here we have to take minus common. After taking minus common, both the terms having plus with outside as a common minus. Then it becomes sin x cos y plus minus common ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಡ್ರಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. sin x cos y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ cos x sin y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin A cos B plus cos x sin y, sin of x plus y. This becomes 0. Yes, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of x plus y. Yes, don't take minus as a common. First read second term for our convenience. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Opposite sign for this formula, that is cos of x plus y. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓದಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಂದು 0 S0 0 1 LHS ಮುಗಿಯೋದಾಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ I will request to everybody, commonly all the students doing this mistake. What is that, sir? They are directly go to find f of x plus y. Is not proper way. ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು RHS. We can't find f of x plus y by using this data. Then what to do, sir? Listen. Please, at least 30 seconds, listen carefully. What is the letter? X. So it is x. What is the letter? Y. So it is y. Letter means alphabet. Then what is the letter? X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Instead of x, it is x plus y. Remaining everything is same. Cos minus sin, sin cos, cos minus sin, sin cos. Does these two matrices are same? Just I will ask general question. Same, sir, but in place of x, some other term is there. Yes, catch this point. These two matrices are same. If y is not there here, we can write directly f of x. We can write it as f of x. Is it or not? Is it? Instead of x, x plus y is there. Remaining trigonometric functions in the given data are all same. Listen carefully. ಮತ್ತು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಝಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಝಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಹೌದು, ಇದನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ. Majority of the students after completion of this step blindly go to to find f of x plus y. It is not help us. This data is not help us to find f of x plus y. ಮೂರ್ಖರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. RHS ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, proof is completed. Yes, another problem is there. They are given 3x3 matrix. Then they are asking to show a square minus 5a, a square minus 5a plus 6i. Not show that, find. It is to be find out. In some problems show that equals to O antane. It is not 0. LHS matrix equation, RHS real number, highly impossible. Instead of giving find this equation, value of this equation, supposed to be asking RHS show that a square minus 5a plus 6a equals to O, we treat it as a null matrix O but not 0. Please. Yes. Come to in this problem they are not asking O, just find a square minus 5a plus 6a, just find, that's all. Okay, yes, come to a square. Can we write a into a? Yes, easily. 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0, again same a 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 with 2 4, ಅಂದರೆ 2 to the 4, plus 0 with 2 0, plus 1 with 1 plus 1. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಓವರ್. ದೆನ್ come with same row, don't change row till the completion of all columns in the second matrix. This is a working rule. Same row, nothing but first row with second column. 2 with 0 0, 0 with 1, again 0, 1 with minus 1, nothing but minus 1. We have another column. Yes, 2 with 1 2, 0 with 3 0, 1 with 0 0. Yes, again second row with first column. 2 2s are 4, 1 with 2 2, 3 with 1 3. Same row with second column. 2 with 0, 1 with 1, 3 with minus 1. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 plus 3, 3 into 0 0. ಎಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 0 with 1 0. Same row with second column. 1 with 0 0, minus 1 with 1 minus 1, minus 1 yes 0 with minus 1 plus 0. We have last column. 1 with 1 1, minus 1 with 3 minus 3, 0 with 0 0. Leave it. I think simplification ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 minus 1, this is 2, 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 plus 3 5, 2 minus 2 0, nothing but complete 0. This is minus 1, this is 1 minus 3, see, minus 2. What is it? A square. Please cross check you with simplification. ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Then don't do like this. After a square, find out 5a, find out 6a. After completion of these 3 steps, then come to enter equation. Please don't do like that. Then what to do? We are getting a square minus 5a plus 6a. 5a 6a ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. We are getting a square. What is that? 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Then minus 5a. Please write minus as it is. Multiply this 5 with a. Listen carefully. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು 5ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದು ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾನು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಚೆ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 10 0 5, ಅಗೈನ್ 10 5 15. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ? ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು 5ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 5a. ಎಸ್, ಅಗೈನ್ 5 minus 5 0. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಐ? Please answer me. What is meant by I? Identity matrix. Identity matrix of order what? In this problem, A is 3 cross 3. Hence, identity matrix of order 3 cross 3 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Yes. Shall we simplify? Yes, yes. Please. 5. What is this? Minus 10. Minus 10. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್? Simplification. So that means if it is minus, subtract these two matrices. If it is plus, add to this. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು? Yes, 5 with 10 is over with minus. Then come to in third matrix, please. What is the sign? Plus. Multiply this 6 with 1. Nothing but 6. So, corresponding elements of first row, first column in every matrices, every 3 matrices is over. Yes, similarly, come to minus 1, corresponding to it with 0. And it is corresponding with 0. Yes. Minus 1. This minus 0. This plus 6 into 0. 0. Very simple. Then come to this is corresponding to this. Again this is corresponding to this with 6. 2 minus 5. Plus 6 into 0, nothing but 0. Simplify carefully. If just a single element while adding or subtracting or multiply with 6 like that, with simple error, by mistaking simple error, if one number is written wrong, entire problem is wrong. Please listen carefully. Yes, come to this is not equal. Please, this is not equal. Yes, 9 minus 10. 9 minus 10 plus corresponding to this element is this plus 6 into 0. 0. Yes, over. This element is over. This element is over. Minus 2. Yes. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 5. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಹೀಗೆ minus 2 minus 5 plus 6 into this element, nothing but 6. Next 5 minus 15. 5 corresponding to this element 5 in this matrix is 15. Listen carefully. Minus sign is there. Corresponding to these two elements in these two matrices is 0 plus 0. Next 0 minus 5 minus 1. Oh, sorry. 0 minus 5 plus 6 into 0. Again it is 0. Whatever may be. We have to check all the three matrices. Yes, next. Corresponding to this minus 1. Corresponding element of minus 1 in first matrix is minus 5. But minus of minus 5. That is plus 5. Corresponding element of this minus 5 in this matrix is 0. 6 is there. 6 into 0, 0. Yes. Minus 2, last element. Minus 2, minus 0. 6 into 1 plus 6. Simplify. Simplify carefully. There are two positive terms. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 10. Minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. 2 minus 5 minus 3. 9 minus 10 minus 1. Minus 2 minus, there are two minus terms. Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. 5 minus 15 minus 10. Minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 4. Minus 2 plus 6 4. In some problems, entire matrix having all the elements of matrix are zeros. ಅಂಥವು ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸರ್, ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 0 0 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದ್ರೇನು ಸರ್? ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಸರ್? a square minus 5a plus 6i, a square minus 5a plus 6i is equal to a 0 ಬಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕು. a square minus 5a plus 6 is equals to close. In case, in your homework problems, if all the 9 elements are zeros, at last you should write O, otherwise you will get only 4 marks. Listen carefully. In this problem, you are not getting all the 9 elements are zeros, hence your answer is ending with here itself. In some particular problems of this type, at last all the 9 elements becomes 0. Then please, you don't write 0 at the ending. Please write all zeros inside the matrices. At last, you conclude with a square minus 5a plus 6 is equal to dash. O. Please, O. It is not 0.